YouTube, so this is what's it look like after the shoes has been dried up. Okay, after I clean them, brush them. This one is a little bit dirty. I didn't actually concentrate on this. My main focus was on the fabric right here, and then on the midsole section. So yeah, it turns out pretty clean. And both of them are Air Force 1. This one is the Chinese New Year. So yeah, just go out there and then buy your spray and wash. Last time I got the big container from Costco. So instead of buying those small aerosol spray, this will save you lots of money in the long run. So I'm going to, on the next clip, I'm going to show you the hat, the final result after cleaning my Stussy hat. Alright YouTube, so here is the final product after I finish cleaning. As you can see, it is spanking clean. And here's the bottom side. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.